According to the annual Global Wealth Report, the world got 5.2 million new millionaires in the year 2021, and this number still seems to be increasing. But the question is, how did they become millionaires, and what are the lessons that we can also implement in our life to reach that million goal? Come, let's understand.
इंडिया में भी इस दौरान न सिर्फ बिलियनियर्स की संपत्ति बढ़ गई है, बल्कि इनकी संख्या में इजाफा हुआ है।
problem is not how to make money. The problem is how much time you have, because there's endless business ideas. There's money everywhere.
एक ताजा रिपोर्ट कहती है कि पिछले साल भारत में 51 नए अरबपति बने हैं।
According to Forbes' most recent look at countries with the most billionaires, India now has 140 billionaires. This figure puts them in third place in the world rankings, beating Germany, which has 136 billionaires.
Last week, I watched a dozen YouTube videos around this topic, and here are 5 of the most amazing lessons on how to become a millionaire. Starting with the lesson number 5, invest in yourself. I want to share a concept with you all, which is S&P 500 versus S&Me 500, in which you prioritize investing in your own self versus investing in the stock or equity market.
It's a whole S&P 500 versus S&Me 500. You will get a significantly higher return investing in your own ability to make money than you will in any market.
Because investing in yourself always generates a better returns over time as compared to the annual returns of 7 to 8%, which we get if we invest in the market, which is hardly able to beat even inflation. So here are some of the ways how you can invest in yourself. Number 1 is investing in a new skill which you are passionate about. Number 2, investing in networking events through which you can build great relationships and great connection. Number 3 is investing in professional skills which can make you stand out. For example, digital marketing, content creation, email writing, or many more skills. And number 4 is investing in good gadgets if you are a creator. Lesson number 4 is to find a niche and then excel at it. In today's competitive world, there is literally no space for mediocres. So if you really want to become a millionaire or a multimillionaire or even a billionaire, it is very important that you focus on becoming a specialist than just a generalist. And the simplest way to do so is to solve a problem by offering alternative solutions which does not exist in the current market. Also, do not focus on just the short-term returns, but instead try to build a strong fundamental base which can help you yield long-term returns. So for example, if you are in the field of digital marketing, then see what others are doing and what they are not doing. Look for a concern, talk to people, ask what are the problems they are facing, and then try to create alternative solutions around fixing or solving that particular problem.
Find a niche and crush it. Deliver more value than anybody else.
And how did you find yours?
Just by trying to solve a problem.
Lesson number 3 is very simple and practical, which is to be prepared. Be prepared that there will be a time when no one is or wants to buy whatever you are selling. Be prepared that there will be a time when no one is or wants to watch the content that you are creating, and be prepared that there will be a time when no one is or wants to believe in your dream. But you need to be prepared. You need to plan in advance, and you need to create reserves. Avoid falling into the financial and thereby the mental drain trap. Lesson number 2 is something which is my favorite lesson also, which is reading books over binge watching. And in this particular reference video, Patrick, who is a multi-millionaire, shared about his habit of how he used to obsess over reading books. In fact, he read almost 2,000 business books, and he used to study topics. He used to select one topic and then pick up 20 books on that topic and simply focus on reading those books and excelling at that topic for the next 2 months. In fact, this is something which requires a lot of pain, lot of consistent hard work, and not everyone might want to go through this kind of pain, but it is absolutely fine. But remember, this is the pain and this is the price you have to pay if you want to become a millionaire or a multimillionaire or even a billionaire. In fact, Patrick has even shared a little homework for all of the viewers, which is he wants you to go to Amazon and pick all the top books which have a 4-star above rating on these 4 topics, which is sales, negotiation, human nature, and money. Read every book which has a 4-star above rating on these 4 topics and do this for the next 2 years and simply obsess over it. Now, of course, you won't end up becoming a millionaire in the next 2 years, but this will give you a complete shift in your mindset, which will help you become a millionaire in the near future. Remember, you simply need to outwork and out-improve. And this video was not just filled with a lot of value, but also with immense amount of motivation. So do watch it. In fact, I have linked the video, all the videos in the description box below. And lesson number 1 is something which again I feel is such an important lesson, which I also experienced so late in my journey of being an entrepreneur, but I'm glad I realized this lesson, which is find a mentor. In fact, in a book by Radhika Gupta, she also has emphasized on the importance of having mentor. Now, when we talk about a mentor, we get the image of someone who is very senior or elder to us, but that is not true in the case of business or entrepreneurship. A mentor can be someone who is elder to you, who is younger to you, or even of the same age group. He or she simply needs to have more experience or more idea in that particular subject matter so that he or she can guide you further. Also, the best part is you don't need to have just one mentor. You can have multiple mentors as well. So get a mentor for your business skills, a mentor for your networking skills, a mentor for your speaking skills, and a mentor for your marketing skills, and a mentor for any other skill that you want to develop in your career. And all you have to do to get a mentor is to ask. Now, this is the simplest and yet the toughest part of getting a mentor, because we always hesitate to reach out and ask people, thinking that, oh, they will judge me, or what if they say no to me, or what if they start laughing at me. But you will be surprised to see how many people are out there who are willing to mentor you and to guide you in your journey towards your end goal of becoming a millionaire. But remember, for that, you need to ask. What is the best lesson about money that you have learned from this particular video, or even from elsewhere? Tell me in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching this video. But make sure to please like this video, subscribe to my channel for more such content on business and finance, and stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.